Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can create a zip file and compress it so you can share with everyone on the internet and compress it to make a size a little bit smaller and easier to upload on the internet, so without any third parties like WinRAR or something like that. So it's built in the Windows system. So all you have to do is, for example, I have 3 files right here, and I want this file, for example, to make it compressed zip file. I'm gonna right click on it, and here you go to send to and compressed zipped folder right here. Click on that one. You can rename it if you want. If you double click on it, open it, as you can see we have a file right here. So now if we double click on it, it's gonna enter the file that is compressed. So that's the first method you can do. And you can also go to this on extract, this one on pink color here. You can click on this one and go to extract all. And now here you can go to browse, and you can choose where do you want it to be extracted. Go here, for example, I want desktop, and go to extract. As you can see, I have the same file, so it's pretty much the same file. So go to replace, and as you can see, the file is right here, this one. So that's one way you can do it. And another way is, for example, we go here and here, and now, for example, I want 1, 2 and 3, but I don't want this one. So you can hold and press Ctrl and just click on which one do you want. As you can see, now it's not selected, this file one. And you can go even on share here and zip it right here. As you can see, we can now rename it. And now if I open it, as you can see, all 3 files are right here. So hopefully that helped you. If I helped you somehow in any way, please subscribe to the channel and something like that. If you want, like the video. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.